Zupcanik was established in 1983 and is located in Tada, a small town in Vojvodina in the northern part of Serbia. It manufactures mechanical parts in the individual and small batch production gear for construction, machinery, agricultural machinery, as well as vehicles. The company possesses about 80 machine tools for gearing and a CNC lathe. It produces nearly all types of gear, spare parts for tractors, differentials for excavators, trucks. It is engaged in repair and reconstruction of gear at the customer's request with a warranty on extended lifetime as well as in production of new gear on demand. In 1993, a company was also founded in Hungary in order to have an easier option for transportation into Hungary and Western Europe.